Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how Microsoft Power BI compares to Tableau and which is the best data visualization tool in 2025. First, Power BI. It's Microsoft's flagship analytics platform, tightly integrated with Excel, Teams, and Azure. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and perfect if your business already runs on Microsoft tools. On the other hand, Tableau is known for its advanced visualization power. It gives you deeper control, more customization, and stunning dashboards that are great for analysts and data-heavy industries. So, which is better? If you want cost-effective, easy-to-use reporting for business teams, Power BI wins. But if you need complex, high-level analytics and advanced visualization, Tableau still leads in 2025. Thanks for watching this Power BI versus Tableau showdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.